All right, we're still chugging away, and profits are down a little bit from yesterday, but they're still pretty high. So we have 5900X, 5900X, 5800X, and a Xeon E5 2670 V3, which is I believe it's a 12-core old Xeon. So this is episode 2 of FOMO into CPU mining. Let's just jump right into the numbers. This is just a little update video. So in the last 24 hours, we have done $1.39 worth of Bitcoin. That's 3,768 Satoshis on the first 5900X. This one only has a single stick of RAM in it. I got another stick, and right at the 24-hour mark, I'm going to be placing that in that bad boy here in a moment. This is the one that's running dual channel, and you can see it's definitely performing better. $1.85 in the last 24 hours and 5,016 Satoshis of Bitcoin. By the way, we are mining, what is it? The, dang, I can't even remember now. Anyway, we're mining on Nicehash. It's not Monero, but it's the same algo. Zephyr is I believe what it is, but we're getting paid out in Bitcoin, and a lot of people are like, oh, we need to stack those bags of Zephyr. I'm afraid Zephyr might go down, so I'd just rather mine it on Nicehash and get my Bitcoin. There are other alternatives. You can mine it on Unminable and get paid out in a multitude of different coins, and I'm going to be doing videos on how to get that stuff set up if you're interested. But by the way, let's just look at the numbers before you get into this. So, and then I have my Xeon E5 2670 V3. It's doing 81 Satoshis, or 81 cents a day at 2,190 Satoshis. Electric burn, all these bad boys together burn right at $1.19 a day. And that leaves us with profit of $3.74. So we made, $5 off of 4 processors. Not bad. We'll see, tomorrow should be better. Now that this bad boy up here is running in dual channel, we should see another at least 40 cents. That would have pushed us over $4, which would have been nice. That means I would have averaged profit $1 per rig. But, it's not everything's perfect. For people that haven't watched episode 1, I went over the initial cost and the setup. Initial cost, if somebody would have bought all this stuff originally, just right now, eBay used buy it now prices would have been about 1,300 bucks. So $3. Let's go ahead and we'll do some napkin math here. 1314 divided by 3.74. You're looking at about a 351 days to make back your initial cost. So not saying you should go run out and buy a bunch of CPUs, but it is what it is. So I did accidentally buy another motherboard CPU combo, so that'll be coming in here soon. So I guess that means I actually am FOMOing in, even, for real a little bit. Not really. I can use it for other things. That's my justification. Anyway, guys, yeah, so just keeping this video quick little update. We'll be doing it day by day, and hopefully we have a better day tomorrow, especially with that dual channel setup. Yeah, current actual profitability on Nicehash is showing $4.68. We did actually a little bit better than that because there was spikes throughout the night, but I can't complain. Nicehash has been decent. Now, as for moving Bitcoin, is super freaking expensive. So we have $27 in here, and we're not moving it right now. So hopefully we don't get, what is it, 2017 Nicehash all over again. Nice hack. Anybody that remembers that, I guess now we're considered OGs, which I don't even feel like an OG, but it is what it is. So, yeah. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Well, that concludes today's video. If you want to stay and hear me ramble on a little bit, then just continue onwards. Let me flip the camera around. There we go. So anyway, guys, yeah. So video's over, all that kind of stuff. But I'm still here. And for the people that are here, welcome. I'm gonna watch what's going on. But yeah, so interesting news that's going on. I added a couple more things to the web store. We do have more NVMEs coming in. I'm getting CPUs and motherboards tomorrow. So if you want good deals on CPUs used CPUs and used motherboards. That's going to be updated onto the web store tomorrow, so look out for that. NVMEs are coming next week. I did my last restock of everything that I had in stock. I sold you guys literally everything. I was keeping some of them for some builds, but I have some stuff coming up, family stuff, so I pushed all the builds out, and I can't get to it if I'm not there, you know what I mean? And got a lot of family stuff, and you know, family comes first, so it is what it is. But yeah, so by the time I have the next restock of NVMEs, I'll have drives for the builds that I plan on doing. Yeah, what was the other thing? There was another thing. Oh, we have a new t-shirt design. We sold out on the initial launch shirts, so those are done. Big shout out to the guys that bought those, really appreciate it. The new t-shirt, not only design but price, is way more reasonable, and I'm actually working with, shout out Alex HD, awesome designer, does a bunch of web work for me back in the past, trying to be able to get him back into things, and he helped me out with this shirt. So I'll show you that here in a second. Let me, I guess, flip the camera around again. But yeah, oh, before we get to that, I'm gonna start doing a monthly PC giveaway, or contest slash giveaway. So it is for the US only as of right now. There's some legality reasons behind that. Apparently, like, the EU is really weird, and Canada is also super weird about giveaways. And I'm just not even trying to jump through those hoops right now. But it is no purchase necessary. So if you go onto the website, I'll show you where it is. You can get entries just by signing up with your email, liking the Facebook page, subscribing on YouTube, and then there is a daily, literally, you just click there, you enter in a CAPTCHA code, and it gives you a free entry every day, and you can do that every day. So starting at the beginning and then ending at the end of the month, we're going to do a giveaway PC every month. This one is pretty basic. It's not anything crazy. It's a 9th gen i5 6 core, I believe it's a 9400 or 9500, I don't remember right off the top of my head. Asus motherboard, nothing special. It's in like a little RGB case. It's got 3 glowy fans on the front, all that kind of stuff. That video will be coming out tomorrow. Tempered glass side panel, RTX 2060, 1 terabyte NVMe in that. And then what else did it have? I think that was it. Oh, 16 gigs of DDR4. So it'd be a great solid little build to get somebody started off with, and you can get entries for free and multiple entries as time goes on. And also, if you do end up spending money on the website, you get bonus entries for that, so free entries. But yeah, hopefully one of you guys, well, I guess essentially one of you guys will win. You have to win, nobody else can win. But we'll be doing that drawing live, and if this ends up doing well, I can't wait to kind of expand it and do a bigger and better build every month. So yeah, anyway, let me flip this around. All right, guys, so this is the new, sorry, my screen's like messing up on my camera. This is the new December design, so December 2023. These are going to be available for pre-order now until the end of December, and whenever December's done, these are going to be done. And that's the new motto that we're going to do with t-shirts. Talk to Alex HD, and as long as he's cool with, like, you know, pushing out a new design every month, we're going to do a whole new design. I told him, like, inspiration for this is, I was like, you know, astronaut on the moon, logo in the flag, and maybe like some stuff up in the sky, and he absolutely nailed it out of the park. I can't wait to get these in, just because it's just one of, I don't know, it's just, I really like this one. So we have them available in small to 3XL. The pre-order is going to be available, yeah, until the end of the month. I think I already said that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So oh, I updated and I fixed the categories section now, so it's got collections. So if you want any, like, the 3D printed stuff, like little stands or displays, RAM holders, people have been snapping up the RAM holders and the NVMe holders. You can add these because they're really lightweight. You can add these to almost any order, and it won't, like, if you're already buying stuff, it won't make the shipping go up. Let's see here. computers. Don't really have much in there as of yet. But oh yeah, apparel. So boom, these are sold out and never to return again. Not in this original capacity. And yeah, I'm actually kind of looking forward to just seeing how the designs go as time goes on. I don't know why, I'm just weird like that. But yeah, so we got the CPUs updated. Got more CPUs coming in. Only thing available right now is an i7 10700, and then storage drives. So wow, all those sold out. I added like 8 drives there today, and I didn't tell anybody about it. I didn't think they would already sell. So oh well, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so look out for that. Oh, and then if you do want to get entered into the giveaway, I absolutely hate whenever you go to a website and a bunch of crap pops up in your face. So the only way to find out about the giveaway is to click down here in the bottom left where it says giveaway. You clicked on that and it'll open it up and it'll say, you know, there's 32 days. My entries are 0 because I'm not entering to win my own PC. And this is the specs on the PC. There's going to be a video, and I'll have pictures and all up, I guess, here soon. Those are the total entries so far. I guess that's from people buying stuff here recently. But you enter with your email, and you get 1 entry just for signing up. Then you get 1 daily entry that you can come back and get an entry every day, answer a question for 1 free entry, another entry for Facebook, YouTube, so on. And then you get 100 entries for every $1 spent on the website. And you can get 3 entries per referral on Facebook or Twitter. So, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Hope you guys are having a good one, and I look forward to seeing y'all on the other side. So, man, I'm really feeling this one. By the way, everybody that did pre-order the last shirts, where are they at here? These bad boys, these are supposed to come in tomorrow, I believe. What's today's date? It is Tuesday. Yeah, they're coming in the 29th, and I should get those shipped out by Thursday or Friday. So then you should be receiving them next week, the first week of November. Ugh. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. Y'all have a good night. I'll see you on the next one. Look at my dirty printer. I got a new build plate coming in because this one's disgusting.